If you're having a kitchen island, there are a few things to think about. Assemble the cabinet stabilizers to make your kitchen island stable. Work out where your island will sit, making sure that you have a reference point to ensure straight placement. As the island can't be supported by walls, you need to attach it to the floor. Add some temporary tape under each leg, marking the perimeter of each leg sleeve as accurately as you can. Use the kitchen island installation kit. Attach the anchoring fittings to the floor. Make sure you don't damage any water or heating pipes or electricity cables hiding underneath the floor. Slide the cabinets into the anchoring fittings and pull down the sleeve to lock the island in place. Connect the cabinets and level them up with the spirit level. Adjust them along with the legs until your island is even. Finally, place your cut worktop on the island and attach it using the brackets provided with your base unit.